Hey there, home cooks. Today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate Robert Redford Icebox cake. Trust me, this one's a showstopper. You'll be the hero of every family gathering. First up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup chopped pecans, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 package, 8 ounces, cream cheese, softened, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 cup whipped topping, aka Cool Whip, 2 packages, 3.9 ounces each, chocolate instant pudding mix, 3 cups cold milk, 1 cup whipped topping, again, chocolate shavings for garnish. Optional, but why not? Right, let's get started. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for my American friends. In a medium bowl, combine the flour, chopped pecans, and melted butter. Mix it up until it's all happy and crumbly. Pat this mixture into the bottom of a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Pop it in the oven and bake for about 15 minutes or until it's golden and lovely. Let that cool completely. Patience, my friends. While that's cooling, let's move on to layer number 2. In another bowl, beat the cream cheese until it's smooth and silky. Add in the powdered sugar and 1 cup of whipped topping. Mix until it's all combined and spreadable. Once your crust is cool, spread this creamy goodness over the top. Now for the chocolate layer, my favorite. In a large bowl, whisk together the chocolate pudding mix and cold milk until it starts to thicken. Pour this chocolatey dream over the cream cheese layer and smooth it out. Finally, spread the remaining cup of whipped topping over the pudding layer. If you're feeling fancy, sprinkle some chocolate shavings on top. You've earned it. Refrigerate your masterpiece for at least 4 hours, or overnight if you can resist. There you have it. The ultimate Robert Redford Icebox cake. It's creamy, chocolatey, and absolutely irresistible. Give it a try. Happy cooking, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any delicious recipes. See you next time.